Digital Money Tools. Part 3. Tool number 2. YNAB. You need a budget. Why most budgets fail even with good income. Some people earn very little, yet stay financially stable. Others earn a lot and still live paycheck to paycheck. The difference is not income. The difference is intentionality. Most budgets fail because they focus on numbers. YNAB focuses on decisions. YNAB is not an app. It's a way of thinking about money. What makes YNAB different? YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, but its real meaning is deeper. YNAB asks one powerful question, greater than what should this money do before I spend it? Traditional budgeting looks backward. YNAB looks forward. Instead of tracking what you spent, you decide in advance. This single shift changes everything. The core philosophy. Every dollar has a job. YNAB is built on one core rule. Every dollar must have a job, not some dollars, not extra money. Every single dollar. Jobs include rent, food, emergency savings, fund future goals. Unassigned money gets wasted. Assigned money gets controlled. This removes ambiguity, the biggest enemy of financial health. The 4 golden rules of YNAB. YNAB operates on 4 simple but powerful rules. Rule 1. Give every dollar a job. Money without purpose disappears. Rule 2. Embrace your true expenses. Big expenses are not surprises. They are ignored plans. YNAB prepares you monthly for annual bills, emergencies, future goals. Rule 3. Roll with the punches. Life changes. Budgets must adapt. YNAB encourages flexibility, not guilt. Rule 4. Age your money. The goal is simple. Spend today's money next month. This creates financial breathing room. Psychology. Why YNAB changes behavior. YNAB works because it changes how your brain sees money. Instead of, greater than, do I have money in my account? You ask, greater than, do I have money in this category? This small shift reduces impulse buying, increases awareness, builds confidence. Money becomes intentional, not emotional. How YNAB works. Practical flow. Here's how a typical YNAB user operates. 1. Income arrives. 2. Money is assigned to categories. 3. Spending reduces category balance. 4. Categories guide decisions. 5. Adjustments happen consciously. You are always making informed choices. Real-life scenario. Story. Meet Alex. Alex earns well, but always feels broke. After using YNAB, he stops guessing, stops overdrafts, plans. Fund money builds emergency savings. Not by earning more, but by deciding better. Common beginner mistakes with YNAB. Most people fail with YNAB because they overcomplicate categories. They expect perfection. They forget flexibility. YNAB is not strict. It is honest. Mistakes are feedback, not failure. Security and trust. YNAB uses secure encrypted connections. It does not move money, it tracks decisions. Your financial power stays with you. Who should use YNAB? YNAB is perfect for people serious about control, goal-driven planners, debt reducers, families managing complexity. But it's not ideal if you want zero interaction, you dislike planning. YNAB rewards involvement. Mint vs YNAB. Important comparison. Mint gives visibility. YNAB gives direction. Mint shows what happened. YNAB decides what should happen. Many advanced users use both.